Welcome dear children to e-learning classes. Yesterday we started the new chapter, our national flag. We shall continue the conversation. Sujal. What is its importance? Grandpa. The national flag is a symbol of nation. Every nation has a flag. A national flag is the symbol of unity, honor and freedom. Both public and private buildings such as schools and courts may hoist the national flag. Alpa. Our class teacher told us the history of the national flag. Yesterday, he informed us about the national flag. Sujal. Please tell me what he said about it. Alpa. He told us about its 3 horizontal color bands of equal size. Grandpa. Yes, Alpa, you are absolutely right. Do you know about the colors and its meaning? Sujal. I know the topmost saffron band stands for courage and sacrifice. Grandpa. Right. The bottom green band stands for life and prosperity, while the white band in the center stands for truth and purity. Alpa. In the center of the white band there is a blue Dharma Chakra, the wheel of law. Sujal. What does it stand for? Grandpa. Dear, the wheel is the symbol of progress. It is the pride of our nation. Do you know certain rules must be followed whenever the national flag is hoisted? Alpa. What are they? Will you please tell us? Grandpa. While hoisting the national flag, we must stand at attention and salute it. Moreover, it should be preserved carefully and a torn flag should not be hoisted. Sujal. Thank you, grandfather. We will remember this forever. Grandpa, we have a national bird, a national animal, a flower and a fruit. Do we have a national food too? Alpa. I think khichdi. Grandpa, ha ha ha. Now prepare it. So here the conversation is over. Now in this conversation we saw that Grandpa, Alpa and Sujal were talking about the national flag and the importance of national flag. They also discussed about the national bird, animal, flower and fruit. And then they asked the question, what is the national food? And Alpa replied, it is khichdi. Now but there is no national food like khichdi. We have a khichdi food that is very famous in Gujarat. So according to you, what should be the national food and why? In the activity 4, you have to imagine that you were a friend of Pingali Venkaya, and what colors would you suggest for your national flag? What do the 3 colors of our national flag symbolize? Answer in your own words. Now in activity 6, you have to write down words with each suffix given below and make sentence. First is able, A-B-L-E. So it is given comfortable. You can write remarkable, adorable, lovable, unforgettable, etc. Now suffix are words which are added at the back of a given word. So you can make your own words. Now in activity 7, you have to rewrite the following sentence in active form. Now passive form is given, you have to write in active form. For example, the national flag should be preserved carefully. So we can write, we should preserve the national flag carefully. Second, the best colored picture will be displayed on the soft board. So the active form of this will be, we will display the best colored picture on the soft board. The rest I will give you in PDF. Hope you have understood the chapter. Thank you for watching the video.